Hello viewers, in this video we will break an Excel table into multiple tables like sale of ABC and XYZ along with its complete record into small tables, and we will also do coding for updating the main table so the sub-tables may get updated automatically. On screen please. Now for your ease I just recorded data of Han and John to make the video smaller, and let's go split it. Now copy the top row and then go to a new sheet which is Han, click on it and keep on press Ctrl key and also click John. Now paste the same and the paste data will be displayed on both sheets. Once again, we will copy cell rep, copy and paste it above so both sheets has been pasted the same. Now let's click the main sheet so both sheets are separately behaving. Now click on Han and write under cell rep Han, and the same way cell rep John may be written under cell rep. Now go back to the main sheet and let's go select the entire table and press from your keyboard Ctrl T to convert the entire detail into a table. Now it has been converted into table. Now click on the subtable and let's click inside and then avoid clicking and just go to click developer tab. If developer tab is not active in your Excel, so you can't do this coding. So to activate developer tab, I already uploaded a video. Thumbnail of the same would be available at the end of this video. Now click record macro, and after recording macro, this windows appear. So write the name of the person and do write a little description for your ease and then click OK. Now macro is recording, so in case if disappear, click yes. And let's go and now click the data. Recording of macro is continue, and after clicking the data, click in advance, and after clicking the advance, another window appears. Tick mark copy to another location, and now let's change, remove this address and go to main sheet. Select the entire sheet. Now it has been recorded. Next, click the criteria range and cell and person name. These two cells are the criteria range. Again, copy to, click on it and select the row you have seen. Now all done, click OK, and the entire data of Mr. Khan along with the relevant record is available. Now click on developer tab and stop recording macro. Recording macro has been stopped. Now once again go and click Mr. John. The same way, click inside the table, click developer tab and then record macro. Same steps are required, and now this appears. So write the name of John and do write some description. Click OK or press on OK, and it's almost done. Now once again record macro is continued. So in developer tab you can simply come down to data, and in data click advance, and in advance the window appears. Click inside, copy to another location, remove the text, list of range, go to main table, and now we will once again select the entire table. Next is criteria range, so click inside and rep along with its name must be listed. Last one, copy to, click inside, and now select the row of the new table and click OK. Now all the data of Mr. John along with the detail is available. Note this is 6 rows. Now again click developer tab and stop macro. Now in case if we do auto adding in the main table, so it won't record. So one step more. When the arrow becomes double-ended, do drag the table, and now it's about done, but a little more required. Now right click on Han sheet, view coding, view code, and after selecting this window appears. Open the first one and select worksheet, and now open the other one and select the first option, activate. Now right over here call Han, and it's done. Your first table has been automatic. Now we will simply close this and we'll do the same with the next table. So right click on John sheet, click view code, and after clicking open the first one, select worksheet, and then select the next one and click or select activate, and once again write or type call John, and now all done. Your tables are automatic, and now we will update the main table and sub table. Either one or more will automatically be updated. Now you are noting that it's only 6 rows. So in the first one I am recording the informations about the sale of Mr. Khan. So it's done. Now let's see and open the sheet Khan, and another view or 7th row has been added, which is automatically being updated. Now let's go to the main sheet. Let me enter the data of Mr. John, which is in the main table, and you will see the sub table will be automatically updated. So through this way you will do your entry in just main table, and all the sub tables will be automatically updated. It's the best way through which you can avoid error and save time. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.